A lot of bad things going on in the world that honestly, not many of us can have an effect on. Rising crime, failing schools, a tanking economy. What can you do about that? Well, not a lot, but you can get your own house in order. And above all, you can spend money with merchants, with companies that support your values, that are making this a better country and not a worse country. But how do you find those companies? Well, that's where Public Square comes in. Public Square actively curates the best products from America's small businesses to help families lead happier, healthier, more productive, and connected lives. That means fewer errands to big box stores, less searching to find wholesome alternatives to the garbage being offered in our culture, and more quality time spent with the people you love most. If you want to fix your country, you've got to strengthen yourself and your home, and you need to spend your dollars where they do good and not bad. Rebuilding America takes place one small change at a time with wise spending, supporting people who support your family, not funding people who hate you. So if you want to do that, publicsquare.com is the answer. Publicsquare.com.
However you feel about what happened to George Floyd, however you feel about what Derek Chauvin did or didn't do, there is zero evidence that what happened to George Floyd had anything whatever to do with his race.